Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you sort Facebook newsfeed in chronologically order. So let's get started. So I'm here in my Facebook. After that we can see here, just click on this three line. After that come down, you can see here down this see more, click on here, and then you can see here most recent, click on that. After that you can see it is sorted and shown in top as chronologically order. So you can see it's just posted now, and there also you can see here it's just posted now. Recent post you can see here all here, and you can see here just now it's posted here. So in this way you can see the most recent news feed in your mobile. So I hope this video helps you a lot. Please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video, share, like and comment. Thank you for watching this video.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.